Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Discover, create an account if you haven't done so. Visit the Discover website or open the Discover mobile app. Click on Register to set up your account. Fill in the required personal information and follow the prompts. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Familiarize yourself with the budgeting dashboard. Explore the options available for setting up your budget. Start by selecting your income sources. Enter your total monthly income to get an overview. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage. Include variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Make sure to categorize each expense properly. Set a savings goal that aligns with your financial objectives. Use the budgeting calculator to visualize your breakdown. Adjust your budget categories based on your spending habits. Monitor your spending with the real-time tracking feature. Review your budget periodically to ensure it reflects your current needs. Make adjustments as necessary to stay on track. Take advantage of Discover's educational resources to enhance your budgeting skills. Utilize alerts to notify you when you are nearing budget limits. Regularly check your progress towards your savings goals. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Engage with the community features for tips and inspiration. By following these steps, you can create and manage an effective budget with Discover. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.